Hi fans of high quality entertainment. I've got a bit of a surprise for you for this unboxing. I've been working out for the last few months and I've lost quite a bit of weight on my own. It's not really a diet, but it's a fat burning plan. And this is me just last year. And this is me when I was at the beach just over a month ago. So I'm gonna, this is a, I don't know what you call it, first look at the book, I guess. It's gonna be, like I don't know if I mentioned it, it'll be out in early October. I don't even want to look at the cover yet. You can see it before I do. It is How to Burn Fats Quickly by Larry. Hi, could I speak to the manager of the Accurate Printing Company, please? Hi, it's Larry Graves. I just received a test pressing of my new book, How to Burn Fats Quickly, and there's a printing error. It says How to Burn Cats Quickly. And I'm holding a lighter in my hand for the picture, and it's not looking good. This is the third time. Remember my cooking book, Cooking with Rice? It ended up being called Cooking with Lice. Okay, I'll settle down. I'm sorry. I'm upset.